क्यों रे?
घुमा घुमा
फिसल रहा बोल रहे हो। बहुत जल्दी से घुमा, ऊपर का आएगा या तो वो टूटेगा। पत्थर देख रहे हो?
मैं आपको बताता हूँ वहाँ जाके क्या क्या है।
हाँ, वेरी गुड।
You know, guys, we always think that we should be away from our daily routine. We always think that there should be another world to where we should visit once in a lifetime. So this is the only way to live our life. Come home to this world. This world will welcome you always, and always they will welcome you. They will harness you. The nature will harness you. This is the way we live our life. This is Amboli Ghat we are crossing now. This ghat is near about 20 to 25 kilometers away from Junnar, and you can see the all hills, all the waterfalls. We are here enjoying ourselves. We are now just in nature only. We are away from our routine life. We are away from our hectic life. We are here to enjoy the nature. We are here to see the beauty of the nature. We are here to experience the nature. So my dear friends, you may see that we are walking in clouds. You may see that we are walking in clouds. You may see we are walking in the hills. Look at those hills. Look the glaze of the hills. Look the beauty of the hills. Definitely this is the most beautiful thing we are enjoying now. And we are damn sure that you are definitely going to love it. Why there is no need to go to any other European countries? There is no need for you to go to any other American countries. This is our India. Yes, the beauty of India is much more beautiful than any other country. There is no need for you to go to Europe as well as to America. This is our India, and we are the Indians. We are always proud of that. You may see the beauty of the nature. You may see the waterfall. Why we should go to artificial man-made waterfalls? There is no need for you to go to any other artificial man-made waterfalls. This is the natural waterfalls. Why don't we enjoy in nature? Why don't we enjoy in natural waterfalls? So dear friend, just visit to Amboli. Yes, God has given a lot to this nature. God has given a lot in this Ambolin Ghat. So definitely we are welcoming you. We want you to visit this Amboli Ghat. Please enjoy the nature. Please enjoy the beauty of the nature. Thank you.
तळे राहना या भी अब्बा रुकते थे बाबा. क्या मस्त पॉल है. गावन में रहते थे क्या अपने अब्बा?
रात को ना
पूरे रात गाड़ी उनकी आज रुकने की. ऐसे गावन में दादा ने दिन निकाले मारो. इतनी तकलीफ कौन उठाएगा क्या? या ऐसे गावन में दादा तब तो कुछ भी नहीं था.
जहाँ पे जाने की वहीं पे रुक जाने के दादा मालूम.
देख देख मंजूर बोले
खाई का बात
अच्छा लग रहा है। डियर डियर हिल
हरिण टेकडी
हरिण टेकडी
अक्षर
अच्छा
त्यामुळे अरे लाइट नहीं पानी नहीं कुछ नहीं था
लाइट पानी कहाँ नहीं कहाँ भी नहीं लाइट पानी
बाथरूम में पानी नहीं था हमारे यहाँ पहले क्या करा मालूम है क्या तुमको बारिश आई सुबह को उठा 7 बजे करके ये निकले ले अभी बाहर पूरे पानी बारिश का पानी भर के रखा पूरे डेच करके इनको बाहर निकलने मिला फिर ये बोला चलो कुपली में बहुत बारिश है
बारिश
हेलो हाँ
भाभी ने भेजा ना फोटो कितनी बारिश बनाया
घुमाओ घुमाओ
फिसल रहा बोल रहे हो
फिरवतोय पत्थर देख रहे
देख पीछे धुआं दिखता है कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा रास्ता वास्ता कुछ नहीं
the place of the wheel, the beauty of it. And we are damn to Europe as well as to America. This is our India, and we are the Indians. We are always proud of that. You may see the beauty of the nature. You may see the you enjoy the beauty of
waterfall.
इधर देखो मारूफ
कितना बड़ा waterfall. अलग-अलग waterfall.
ओ आराम से जाओ आराम जाओ लेना तू खड़े रहे
अरे इतना बड़ा मत फेंक पत्थर, ये पत्थर मत उठा, सांप निकलेंगे।